Fucking hell, it's cold. Alright, what's up guys? This is my 1995 BMW 325i. And as you can see, it's a hell of a lot of work. We got a shit ton of parts to install. Currently it's not running. I'm not exactly too sure. I know it needs a lot of parts in the engine bay too. Cold air intake, overflow install, and probably engine rebuild. The last owner tried to install a cold air intake, so through the headlight. Beautiful, isn't it? No cold air intake. Yeah, this is the new project drift car, and I'm bundled up because it's fucking freezing. Then we got some sheep. Let you guys get in on that. Look at those precious babies. Look at it. Just wants you guys. Alright, well, there's not much work I can do to it today. Just because I don't have the proper equipment or knowledge to get this thing running yet. Ends our drift build, install some coilovers on it, which I have in the back seat also. Racing seats, harnesses, but I gotta get it running first, so just a quick overlay of the car. Whew. Started working on the steering wheel, but there was no steering bolt, so kind of fucked there. Need a new shifter. I mean, these seats are in fucking hella good condition though. When your girlfriend wants to be a professional race car driver.
I'm trying to scare people. I want to see if I can get anyone off-road.
Fucking terrible person.
I would try that semi, but you look really mean. I am a waste car driver. I sounded like that guy from Split for a second.
That fucking badass steering wheel.
Yeah, the steering wheel, I love it. I'm kind of jealous.
I would be. So the steering wheel would have been installed today, but the people that I got the car from decided to take the steering wheel bolt out.
Frickin' idiots.
Yeah.
They wanted to run the cool air intake through a fucking headlight.
Yeah.
Fucking idiot. He was a fuckboy though. I go to school with him. He was a fuckboy. See how many people I can run off the road.
Cruising down the highway, recording.
Down the street in my whoa. I don't even think that was the right words though. Oh, I thought you wanted me to.
No, I was trying to videotape the steering wheel. A neochrome light.
Sparkle, sparkle.
All the fingerprints on it and stuff.
I'll whip it off.
That guy was staring at us hardcore.
I should have did it then. Keep staring. You a hater, aren't ya? So anyway.
Japanese life right now.
Yeah,
Right-hand
Japanese
drive.
life.
And a Grand Prix.
That's some fire.
Shit. Fuel.
Yeah, we low on gas. I told you, we gotta get
Fuck.
gas.
Why aren't you steering the steering wheel? How are you supposed to be turning?
I'm sorry. That's probably too sharp to turn though.
Oh yeah. We would have been over that curb right there.
Yeah.
Oh man, that thing's gonna look beautiful in the BMW.
It's gonna look even more prettier when we actually get the BMW running and you can actually use it though.
Yeah.
You're gonna detach it sometimes. You detach it and then it'd be kind of funny to show people that guys we have a stop. Come on, we gotta get up close to some people. Some of these people look grumpy. I don't want to do it to grumpy people because I feel like they're gonna chase us down.
Fucking cold day out.
These people next to us are smoking weed. That's why they opened their window.
Think so?
I can smell it right here. See?
Yeah.
It smells. They opened their window a minute ago. I thought she farted because they were laughing.
Fucking automatic disaster.
Yeah, toke it, bitch.
You're sitting too far.
Hey, asshole, what you doing? Get back!
Was there
I road rage for him.
There was no need for that.
They could have just pulled out in front of us. What the hell was that, babe? Especially in Kalamazoo, people are idiots. Especially Kalamazoo. Kitty! Someone had a kitty on their lap.
Done driving for the day?
Yeah.
Just said fuck it.
No one's looking. I can't scare anyone if they don't look at it. I should have started doing it earlier. Oh, I take it. So you can actually drive.
I'm driving just fine.
Being a waste car driver.
You can't be a race car driver in an automatic.
I was a waste car driver.
Yeah, but you're special.
I'm special!
God.
And he's been with me for almost 2 years now. You can ask him how he puts up with me because I don't even know that answer.
There is no answer to that.
It's because I cook good and I allow him to spend his money on car parts. His ex didn't like it. So I'm better. Ha ha.
What's up guys, Eternal Honda here, sitting in the 1995 BMW. As you can see here, there's no steering wheel. I was just in the middle of replacing it yesterday, but ran into the problem with there's no bolt here. And so we were like freaking out because we couldn't get a bolt. There's the old steering wheel. And I guess the last owner took it out and left it somewhere. So we were scavenging around for it, and it turned out right there. It was right by my feet the whole time. Like, how could I have missed that? It was just sitting there. So, we are going to install the steering wheel today, which I have on top of the roof because I'm too lazy. So, I'll bring you back when that gets here. And boom. Look at that beauty, man. Let's make the car look so much better. And our G Neo Chrome. Damn. And that quick release life, if I can find the button. Oh shit. Damn. Oh shit. Hold on. Fucking beautiful. Alright, now to deal with this. The EWS wire that goes down there to the receiver somewhere. That's the other piece that it connects to, in case you guys are wondering. Got some dangling wires over here. I have no fucking clue where they go to. Ah, this car is a living electrical nightmare. Got this. I believe that's the ignition switch. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so I'm going to figure out where this wire goes, and when I do, I will get back with you guys. So, catch you guys in a minute.